or it's it cannot be doubted that this will be a hit movie, and one hit movie surely deserves another. Are you prepared to make more movies, even if it might affect your personal relationships and your personal lives?
The question is for, ano, Tito Dan?
Sorry, I forgot. For Josh and for Julia.
Baka for me answer. Alam mo, total nagkakagawan tayo sa magot. Hindi nakasagot ng role niya si Miss Mea.
Yes.
Kasi si Bong nanga-sena eh.
Yes.
I heard, ang galing-galing mo raw, you're from PETA, and then, what's your role here?
The name of my role in this film is Ate Lala. Parang ako yung nag-iisang rose amongst the thorns sa Casa Rosa, which is the restaurant owned
An all-boy group.
Wancho. Tapos, I'm very grateful to Peter Sen kasi karamihan ng mga pelikula niya, sinasali niya.
Wow, ang lakas mo
Favorite.
So hindi mo to first, nagawa, first ka nang nauna. First nga, nauna, natural.
So, I was too cool to be forgotten. Nakakasama ko na si... Thank you, P.
Thank you, Miss Leanne. Okay, we are now ready sa nag-aagawang sumagot. Sino who's gonna answer the question from Tito Danny Vivas?
Sorry, Tito Dan. Para kanino po ulit yung question? Sorry.
For sure, this will be a hit movie, and one hit movie cannot just be one hit movie. For sure, there will be next offers to do more movies, more intimate movies between the two of you. But are you prepared to do more movies, even if it might affect your personal relationships or personal lives?
Interesting question. Are you open to answering the question? Definitely, di ba, Julia?
Yeah, you know what, Tito? I feel like there's no might because I believe both Josh and I are both in a very secure place in our lives na kahit gumawa pa kami ng 10 pelikula, hindi naman yun yung intention naman nun ay hindi para makasira ng isang magandang bagay. So, yun lang. Siguro we're in a very secure position in our lives, and it's not, I guess, fair to put it that way to the people that will be, affected with the way that you ask the question. But we'll be fine. I think we're okay. Tignan mo, ang saya naming natapos yung Unhappy for You. Lahat ng nasa paligid namin masaya para sa amin. Minamahal pa rin kami. So I think it says a lot about where we both are in our lives.
Nice. In other words, it's a yes. Joshua, that's...
Yes po. Yun na lang din po yung sagot ko. Kasi actually, kami po na Jude, parang iba na yung approach namin sa work this time. Mas professional. We know our boundaries na rin, alam mo yun. So, wala naman siguro ganun mangyayari, di ba? And, nagsushoot pa lang ho kami nito, nag-uusap na kami na sana makagawa tayo, pero sana comedy naman. Kasi, bigang-biga kami dito. Masaya na ba kayo?
Happy!
Kaya pala indinaya siya sa pain. Yung balat tunodo naman ka na sa direct pictures sa yung pain.
Meron na kami peg na...
Sana comedy dito.
Oo, comedy. Yun na lang yung dinidream namin habang nag-e-excite na kami ng mabibigat. One day, Josh, magka-comedy tayo. Yung comedy lang.
Okay. Tito Dan, you're good?
It's nice for you to do a comedy next. After Unhappy for You, it should be very happy for you.
Thank you po.
Very happy for you. Very happy for you. May
Sir
pa, Justin.
Yung next question natin, babasahin mo from G. Trilliano.
Actually, ang ganda. I was gonna tell you nga, Justin, gusto kong tanongin to from G. Trilliano, ng editor ng Malaya. Malaya. Okay, there's a video. This is for Julia muna. There's a video of you asking audiences if they would watch your movie with their exes. Kailan ka dumating sa point na you became comfortable enough to meet your ex? Sorry. to meet your ex again and ano yung nag-precipitate nung feeling na yon, okay na ako to Joshua. Yeah.
So in other words, in a simpler form, ano yung tanong?
I know. Naguluhan nga rin ako. Pero sabi ko, ang ganda ng tanong. Pero ako naguluhan.
Hindi mo natatanong.
Tita G,
Pero
ano
parang kanina pa tinatanong sa'yo ganyan.
Alin, yung...
Ngayon ako pahawak ng script.
Yung sa
Hindi ko
mall
naguluhan.
show daw kasi, first of
Ayun.
all guys, tinanong ng ibang cast yan. Inulit ko lang yung tanong. Baka hindi klaro. At saka nag-joke lang ako. Kumbaga, hindi ko namang ini-encourage na panoorin niyo with your ex. Kasi choice niyo naman yun, di ba?
Kasi uso ngayon ng mga
Nagjo-joke
exes
lang.
na nag-reunite.
Uso ba yun?
Officially
ba?
for you yung sa Showtime, di ba?
Yes.
Especially for you.
I mean, choice naman niyo yun. I mean, kung parang, di ba, kung
For
trip niyo
ano lang,
yun.
it's for entertainment.
Oh,
lang.
for entertainment lang
Parang
naman
masaya
yun.
lang, di ba?
Correct. Joke time lang yun. Pero hindi namin sinasabing kailangan panoorin niyo itong sama mga ex. Okay, mag-isa kayo. Okay lang. Basta panoorin niyo. Buy it together something.
Josh, may dadagdag, di ba? Okay. Kasi next ikaw na. The question, what steps did you take to prepare for the role and was asking your current partner's permission included in these steps? Did you ask permission from...
No, hindi ko
You don't
nag-ask sa partner ko. Kasi bago pa rin kayo magkakilala, alam yung actor na yung, pagiging actor na yung trabaho.
Oh, sana all, no?
I'm just very supportive about dun sa movie. Kung ano naging process ko sa movie, enjoy ko lang yung process. Enjoy ko lang siya, and enjoy ko yung journey na makatrabaho ulit si Julia. And enjoy ko yung journey na makatrabaho si Derek Peterson and lahat ng cast natin dito. Yun lang yung nangyayari na. And kung may mali man kasi kami magawa, kinokorek na kami ng writers and nila direct.
May writers on the set ka, kayo.
Yes,
Dumadala.
very
At
hands-on
least-
sila sa pelikula.
At least Hanson, di pabaya. Charot, hindi pabaya pa. Tawa ng tawa dito, Miss Kaya. Okay. Ano, ikaw to o ako to, Justin? The
Again,
next set.
next question will come from Jimpy Anarcon of Freebie MNL.
Yay! Birthday ni Jim pila 2 days ago. Hi Jim, stand up. Happy birthday. Uy, dito si
Thank you so
Julia,
much.
favorite mo.
Yeah.
Thank you
Correct.
so much.
Okay. Okay. First question, ano naman to ha, not naman on the negative side, no? But hindi ba kayo nag-worry? Kasi most of the time, pwedeng dalawa yung effect, di ba? Pag nagre-reunion yung mag-ex, either, syempre you become friends talaga, which we all hope for. And some, medyo mag-open ng can of worms, parang ganon. Tapos hindi na magkaka-work after.
Kind of what?
Can of worms, mga siguro mga unclosed keme, ganyan. Hindi ba kayo nag-worry na baka mayroong ganong sitwasyon?
May
Or-
mga mauungkat na ano, may mau-open na issues, Joshua.
Issues.
Issues. Hindi ba kayo nag-worry na
Hindi
may
ba kayo
mabubuksang issues?
Or naka-ready na kayo or naka-gear na kayo na okay, this will be a fun set, happy reunion.
Ini-idiomatic expression naman kasi tayo ni
Sorry.
ano. Ini-idioms tayo ni Jimpy.
Feel ko ready na kami kasi una-una hindi rin namin tatanggapin kung hindi kami ready.
Actually naman.
Kasi parang bakit namin gugustuhin na masaktan kami dito sa pelikula? Parang sobrang sadista naman natin sa sarili natin. Diba? Parang I think ready na kami bago pa namin kaya. It's been 5 years na din diba?
Correct.
Tagal na. Marami na nagbago and yung iba na, right?
Yeah, in a good way.
In a good way.
In a good way.
Yeah.
Ikaw, Julia.
Ano po
merong
yun?
addition to that.
Saan po?
Doon
sa question.
sa mau-open na mga
Kung hindi ka ba nag-worry?
can
na
of
baka-
worms.
Hindi naman, I don't think it was worry. Honestly, I was just really excited to reunite with Josh, work with him, and work with Derek Peterson, our cast, our writers that, you know, I worked with Kukay several times also. So it was more excitement. I think ang ganda ng mindset namin lahat coming into this project na we all had one goal, and I think that made us bond even closer because of that one goal.
And then Julia, coming from that viral video, no?
What?
Hindi, eto naman ano lang, parang...
Hindi ready lahat sila yun yung tanong.
Hindi, ang ganda kasi na narating niyo na yung ganong sitwasyon na pwede na siyang pagtawanan, gawing joke. So parang through the years na, yun nga, nagkaroon ng something, tas pwede kayo magka-work ulit ngayon. Paano niyo na-achieve or na-prepare yung sarili niyo to be in that situation na pwede niyo na siyang pagtawanan and you can work together harmoniously?
Yeah.
Sorry. I feel like parang may understanding na kami na even if we don't talk about it, parang okay na sa amin eh. Kasi tagal na eh, parang happy na kami sa posisyon namin sa buhay ngayon. And then parang ang gusto na lang namin mangyari ngayon is parang ma-retain yung friendship namin, di ba? Yung, di ba? So sayang eh, kasi di ba parang iba na rin yung understanding natin sa isa't isa.
Yes, agree. Tama yung sinabi ni Josh.
Okay. Thank you so much
Thank you
and
so much.
congratulations.
Thanks, James.
I mean,
Happy birthday ulit.
happy birthday!